Leicester Square. We can't believe that Wasted is in Leicester Square, London, so thank you for all your support. Wasted is a difficult film, and I'd love to hear your feedback after the film. Thank you.
You guys get a chance to speak. Yeah, just thank you very much for coming. This film's, Carolyn's kind of put her heart and soul into it, and it's a lot of people's hearts and souls, so just hope that you enjoy it. Thanks.
15 years ago, I was part of, I formed a theatre company with other actors, and we were part of kind of taking theatre plays and improvising them, and our first play was called Wasted, and sadly it was 15 years ago where we felt that there was kind of a structure of like people who, were totally invisible to society. So there were theatre plays, there was theatre shows, and sadly now about kind of 15 years on, it's still the same. So we wanted to make a film. It wasn't the same as a theatre show. We had like kind of 15 of a cast at the time, but we just kind of felt always for the underdog. So Wasted kind of came out of themes of that, and actually how frustrating it was that actually nothing had changed in 15 years. So that's kind of how the movie came out. And sadly in theatre you can put a bunch of actors together in a room and you can create something. You can bring in researchers, you can bring in people who can help you with all the themes that you want to do, and then you can put it on a stage and show it. Whereas film, it's not the same. Well, as you know, funders are all like, oh, that's too depressing, we can't give you money for that, which is, sadly, I know that Wasted isn't for everyone, but it's got a voice and it's got a truth. It's in the Truth Gala, and it should be heard, it should still be made. It shouldn't all be, film shouldn't all be for kind of markets to kind of make money.
There's an interesting process that you use to create the film, rather than sort of having typically a script written and getting the actors to go through it. You did a lot of research and improvisation. You need to tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, I'm kind of based in improvisation, but regarding getting funding for films, you need to have everything written down. So myself and my co-director wanted to improvise this film completely, but we had to write an 8-page document to get the money. But we took the actors into a 6-week rehearsal process, and we brought in the Glasgow City Mission, Teen Challenge, people's personal stories. We took them out into the streets to improvise. It's a bit like kind of making a theatre show where you work and then you put the play on, and we want to make a film where you go, right, we've got this 6 weeks rehearsal, let's kind of develop the idea, develop the film, and then shoot the thing, which doesn't happen in film terms. Usually, you wait forever for the money, and then you will shoot it in 3 weeks, and it's all the dialogue's got to be written in a script before you get any money. So it's that's kind of the way we work. So it was a major achievement to kind of try and make an improvised film. So there's a lot of things, including, I don't know if you noticed, Kate Dickie's character, her daughter. Literally we improvised with the actors and then brought her daughter in, and just like that play, there's a lot of one take shots in the film where you see it once, it's not let's retake, let's go again, it's all one-off natural moments. We tried to keep it really vibrant and alive, so, and I think you can feel that in the film.